Okay, hi. I'm going to give some instruction on how to roll a sleeping bag that you guys can use when you teach the younger Girl Scouts this Saturday. We need two things. You need a sleeping bag and you need rope. About 12 feet of rope. Okay, on one end of the rope is going to be your bowline knot. And we can talk about how to make that later on. Bowline knot, rope. Inside your sleeping bag, your clothes are going to be packed. All right? Fold the sleeping bag over. All right? And then you zip it. All right? Fold it in half. Remember, you got your clothes inside there. Then you're going to roll it. Make sure you keep it as tight as you can. Now, most sleeping bags these days already have some ties that you can use to tie your sleeping bag, but because ours are going to have clothes in them, the ties might not work. So that's why we're going to tie it with rope. Get closer. We'll come along around my shoulders so you can see. Start off with the end that has the bowline. Take it, wrap it around the sleeping bag. Pull it through the hole. Pull it pretty tight. Let me move up closer so you can see. All right, so you've got it pretty tight. There's your knot. Go horizontally across, hold it, wrap it around your sleeping bag again. Bring it around and underneath that so that you have an H. Tighten it. Go around the sleeping bag to the back of it. Go under. Go under the second one. There you have your second H. Go around, and now you're going to make your handle. You can start over here and just keep on going around the legs of the H. To make a handle to carry the sleeping bag with. Now if you're real fancy, you can put another bowline knot here and you can tie on things like your mess kit. But for right now, we're just going to finish it off and put a knot right here. There's your handle. There's your sleeping bag. We're done. Thank you, ladies.